Here we have a small French night table, probably 20th century. We've determined it's made out of, I've sanded an area here. It appears to be tulip wood veneer. This piece has a lot of veneer problems. As you can see, veneer is literally peeling off of it. Veneer is missing. Another example of veneer coming off. Veneer missing. The drawers have a lot of problems with their veneer. See, all this veneer is loose. Coming up, a lot of pieces missing. We have on hand the tulip wood veneer and all the inlay that we need to reproduce these. Okay, now I've got the glue down. I will position that piece of veneer exactly where it came from, holding it down with some tape. And using a flexible piece of plywood as a caul, okay, now we've got the clamps on, and we'll let this section dry and then move on and do the next section until we've got all the legs done. Okay, now you can see we've glued down all the loose veneer. We've also put new tulip wood patches wherever the veneer was missing. And then once we've done the patches, I trim it back, carefully trim the new veneer back. Another patch here. Try to trim it back as carefully as I can. You can also see we've glued down the loose veneer on the drawers and patched in everywhere that veneer was missing. Now, the finish on this piece is in such bad shape that we sort of have no choice but to clean this down with some solvent like alcohol. I'll probably use alcohol and steel wool. We'll clean it down, get the old finish off, which is a mess, and then we'll sand up our new patches and anywhere else that needs sanding. Do as little sanding as possible and get this piece ready for a couple of coats of shellac. Okay, here you can see we sanded the whole piece to blend in all our patches and to make everything even. The finish was so bad I really didn't have any choice but to sand the whole thing. We gave it 2 coats of shellac, and in the shellac I put some umber stain to tone it a little bit, and a little bit of extra stain on our patches. And here it is, the finished piece.
Here.